Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 3, Episode 46, and in this episode I'm going to answer the question, what is a transmission electron microscope? Does anyone know? Anyone want to take a guess? Anyone? Alright, so let me go and answer the question. So what is a transmission electron microscope? A transmission electron microscope is a form of an electron microscope in which an image is derived from electrons that have passed through the specimen, in particular one in which the whole image is formed at once rather than by scanning, like the SEM, the one we talked about in the previous video, the scanning electron microscope does. Pretty cool. Alright, so let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Get this, did you know that gorillas can't swim? Yes, you heard me correctly. Those large animals we know as gorillas can't swim. Pretty interesting and pretty unique to think about. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that will be at the end of the video. And as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day and goodbye. Thank you.